The 2026 HAVAL H9 isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A declaration that Chinese automakers have entered the big leagues of global luxury off-road performance. In this video, we're diving deep into everything that makes the new H9 an absolute game-changer. From its powerful engine to its cutting-edge interior and stunning design, we'll uncover every secret behind this next-gen machine. But wait till the end, because we've got a shocking surprise about its off-road technology that might just outclass some premium Western rivals. So, buckle up whether you're a car enthusiast or just love luxury on wheels. The 2026 HAVAL H9 is about to redefine your expectations of what an SUV can be. Talk about design, where the 2026 HAVAL H9 instantly makes its boldest impression. This SUV radiates power and prestige with its muscular body lines, massive chrome grille, and sharp LED matrix headlights. The overall design feels like a blend of strength and sophistication, rugged yet refined. The sculpted side panels and strong stance command attention, while the signature DRL pattern gives it a futuristic presence even in daylight. Step around to the rear, and the tailgate design exudes modern toughness with new LED clusters and bold HAVAL branding stretched across the back. Every curve and crease has a purpose: aerodynamics, stability, and style in perfect balance. But the real surprise? The all-new H9 isn't just about looks, it's been engineered to dominate every terrain. Now let's focus on the sheer size and presence of the H9. The 2026 model has grown larger, wider, and more imposing than ever. Measuring roughly 5 meters in length and almost 2 meters in width, it stands shoulder to shoulder with giants like the Toyota Land Cruiser and Ford Everest. The elevated ground clearance and wide wheel arches scream capability and confidence. Yet, HAVAL has managed to keep it balanced. It looks luxurious, not bulky. The commanding view from the driver's seat feels like sitting on a throne. Add those 20-inch alloy wheels and chrome roof rails, and it's impossible to ignore this beast on the road. But here's the twist. Even with such dominating proportions, HAVAL has achieved a more aerodynamic body that improves fuel efficiency and ride stability. So it's not just bigger, it's smarter. This part takes us inside, where the 2026 HAVAL H9 feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. The interior has been completely redesigned with top-grade materials and a minimalist, premium aesthetic. Soft touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting wrap you in modern sophistication. The massive dual-screen setup dominates the dashboard, a high-resolution infotainment display paired with a digital driver cluster, both powered by HAVAL's latest operating system. Add in ventilated seats, panoramic sunroof, and tri-zone climate control, and you're looking at comfort on another level. But what truly stands out is the attention to detail, from noise-canceling insulation to ergonomic seat contouring. This isn't just a cabin, it's a sanctuary for travelers. And stay tuned, the tech behind this comfort has a few surprises up next. Now, let's explore the tech side, where the H9 transforms from a rugged SUV into a digital powerhouse. The infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, voice-activated commands, and over-the-air updates. There's also a 360-degree camera system, a head-up display, and facial recognition that adjusts settings automatically for each driver. The H9's AI assistant can control everything from navigation to ambient lighting just by your voice. But it doesn't stop there. The vehicle includes remote start, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot detection, and automated parking assist. It's the kind of technology you'd expect in a $100,000 luxury SUV, yet HAVAL delivers it at a much more accessible price. The tech sophistication here gives a glimpse into the future of smart mobility, but what about raw performance? That's where things get thrilling. Here, we dive into what really fuels the 2026 HAVAL H9, its powertrain. The SUV comes equipped with a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. Together, they produce around 245 horsepower and 430 newton of torque. The power is delivered through a robust 9-speed automatic transmission and a full-time 4WD system. It's smooth on highways, but truly comes alive off-road. HAVAL engineers have tuned the engine for maximum torque delivery at low RPMs, ensuring instant power when you need it. What's more impressive is the hybrid boost. It not only enhances acceleration but also improves fuel efficiency. Whether you're climbing a mountain trail or gliding down a city boulevard, the H9 delivers both brute strength and refined smoothness. But the real magic unfolds when this machine hits the dirt. Now it's time for what the HAVAL H9 is truly born to do: conquer the wild. With a new generation of intelligent 4WD system, locking differentials, terrain management modes, and low-range gearing, the H9 can take on sand, snow, mud, or rock with effortless confidence. The suspension system has been upgraded with adaptive dampers and reinforced chassis components that absorb impact without compromising comfort. The water-wading depth is impressive, and the approach and departure angles rival some of the best in the segment. Whether it's a mountain trail or desert dune, this SUV feels unstoppable. And here's the cliffhanger. HAVAL claims that its latest off-road algorithm uses sensors to analyze terrain in real time, adjusting traction dynamically, something previously seen only in high-end Land Rovers. That's next-level engineering. Luxury means nothing without protection. The 2026 HAVAL H9 introduces a full suite of active and passive safety systems under its HAVAL Guardian umbrella. Features include autonomous emergency braking, adaptive cruise with stop and go, driver attention monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and even collision avoidance assist. There are 9 airbags strategically placed throughout the cabin, reinforced door beams, and a high-strength steel safety cage. HAVAL has also integrated new driver condition sensors that can detect drowsiness and even suggest rest stops. But here's what's fascinating. The AI-based prediction system can anticipate potential hazards seconds before human reaction time. It's like having a co-pilot watching every move on the road. Safe to say, HAVAL hasn't just built an SUV, it's built a Guardian. Now let's talk about value, the point that shakes the SUV market. The 2026 HAVAL H9 is expected to start around $45,000 to $55,000. Depending on the region and trim. When you compare that to competitors like the Toyota Prado, Ford Everest, or Jeep Grand Cherokee, the H9 offers nearly the same or better tech and capability for nearly 30% less. HAVAL isn't just aiming to dominate China, it's clearly targeting global markets with confidence. Its design, build quality, and innovation prove that Chinese automakers are no longer catching up, they're setting new benchmarks. The company has also announced expansion plans in the Middle East, Australia, and Europe. And if that global rollout happens as predicted, rivals might have a serious problem on their hands. And now, the big question is the 2026 HAVAL H9 truly worth the hype? Judging by its blend of design, luxury, performance, and technology, the answer is a resounding yes. It's not just an SUV, it's a declaration that HAVAL is ready to compete on a world-class level. The H9 delivers everything: power, comfort, safety, and intelligence, wrapped in a body that turns heads wherever it goes. But here's the real twist. HAVAL insiders hint that a plug-in hybrid or full electric version could arrive soon, taking this beast into the EV era. If that happens, it could completely rewrite the rules of the off-road SUV game. So, what do you think? Can HAVAL truly dethrone the global legends? Drop your thoughts below and stay tuned, because this story of the H9 is just getting started.